Our skeletal system is divided into two functional parts. These functional parts are called as the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. So, what are the bones which lie under the heading of axial skeleton? So let's look at these bones in this skeleton. So the bones of my head, we all know we have 22 paired and unpaired bones, which makes my head. We call it skull or cranium. Then we have bones which are contributing to my neck region. And what are these bones? These bones are the hyoid bone and the cervical vertebrae. And then within the trunk is comprises of my ribs. We can see we have 12 pair of ribs, sternum, and the thoracic and the lumbar vertebrae and the sacrum. So the bones who are contributing to my head, the bones who are contributing to my neck, and the bones who are contributing to my trunk, they are the bones who belongs to my axial skeleton. Appendicular skeleton comprises of the bones which contribute in making my limbs. So, what are these bones? We can see the bones which contribute in making my upper limb. We have the scapulae, we have the clavicle, the humerus, radius, and ulna, and the bone which makes my hand. What are the bones in my hand? We have the carpal bones, we have the metacarpal bones, and we have the phalanges. Now, the bones, these are the bones of my upper limb. And then the bones of my lower limb, we can see these coxal bones. They join to form the pelvis, then the femur, and then going down, there is tibia, fibula, and the bones which contribute in making my foot, and the bones which contribute in making my foot are known as the tarsals, the metatarsals, and the phalanges. We can classify the bones on the basis of their location. Now within this skeleton, what we can see here, those bones which are located centrally and they have been colored mint green, these bones are together known as the bones of my axial skeleton. And then the other example, the remaining bones. What are these bones? The bones who are contributing to my upper limb and a lower limb. And these bones are called as the bones which belongs to my appendicular skeleton. So this is how we can divide these bones into these different variants